Do our tables show us a potential 400 pip move to the downside for Euro US dollar? Stay tuned to find out. Hi and welcome to this currency strength indicator table video with me, John, on this 15th of May. You can see here we've got Euro US dollar open in front of me, and that the Euro US dollar is one of the currencies that hold confluence between the trend traders and the day traders chart. While I was setting up this chart to discuss with you this morning, the yen actually appeared as a weak currency as well, so that is something that you can also take a look at when you're doing your analysis today. You can see how we can go from 28 pairs of analysis down to 2 pairs by just using these tables here. So what I want to do is highlight Euro US dollar. It's the one that's featured, or one of the currencies that is featured on our tables today. So I'm just going to expand this open so we can see a little bit more data. And what we've recently seen is price start to top out towards this 100 zone in here, where you can see that price had found resistance in the past, and we've tried to break into new highs on 2 or 3 occasions here, and we just failed to do so, showing us that the momentum is not with the buyers here anymore. And in fact, we're actually trading through key areas of support now, and one of those is this trend line which formed on the lows back in September of 2022, expanded up. We can see that price is trading through that now, so this could be a potential move back down towards these lows here at the 52.50. So looking to see if we can trade lower here. If I just jump into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that consolidation in a little bit more detail, and I've also added a couple more support levels in here and resistance levels, because this is where I'm going to be looking to take some action if price was to pull back into a couple of certain areas. So the first area of interest is this 1.0950, or we could just kind of expand that down into sort of these lows in here, which is around about the 1.0900, where we kind of have multiple confluences. So if price was to get back up in this sort of zone here, you've got the sort of horizontal resistance running through. I also like the fact that this trend line support could now act as resistance. So if price was to come up anywhere in this sort of zone, then we could start to see some selling pressure again, with price potentially going to target the next level of resistance, which is the 1.0800. Now price may not pull back. In fact, if I was to go to the hourly time frame, you can see that price has been consolidating, breaking to the downside, consolidating. Will we get another break to the downside? So the way I'd look at this from a day trader's perspective is the fact that at the moment we have a low in here, and at the moment we have a high. Now if price fails to make a new higher high, so if price rallies, breaks through, fails to make a higher high, that could be an opportunity for day traders to get short and give us an opportunity to start a potential first move into this 400 pip downside target of the 1.0525 handle. Again, you can see how clearly that level has been used in the past. So looking to see if we can trade down into those key levels at the moment, and if we do get those pullbacks, it could offer us some opportunities to trade Euro US dollar to the downside in line with our tables. Hopefully that all made sense, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next video.